Yeah, man. Welcome back to Traders GP channel. Yeah, I know it's been a long time, guys. It's been a long time, but yeah, I have another market breakdown for you. This is my view for next week. I had a lot to do, so yeah, I've been away, but I'll come back, guys. I will come back. I'm very sorry. So today what we have is three pairs. It's GBP, USD, USD chef, and gold, right? So I'll start from weekly time frame, and on weekly time frame, as you can see, guys, that the market is what the market is currently on a downtrend, but this one, it's a bullish market, right? This one is a bullish market. So what we're going to do is we'll be focusing on this uptrend here, so that you can understand what's happening. So on weekly time frame, I'll start with my value area. As you can see, guys, here this is my value area right here, and the market just went into the value area, and I'm expecting a push correction and a push down on a smaller time frame, and we'll see if we'll take out this low, or failure to take out this low, then it means that we'll be moving up, because simply the market can be just giving us what simply the market can be just giving us a correction like this. Simply a market can be just giving us a correction like this to come here and then to move up, and then to see if we take out these highs. Understand? So if we get a correction, we'll be moving up to these areas, and then if we break below, then we'll be looking for a correction, and then we know that we're going down. Okay, so the next thing that, let me just leave this here. The next thing that we do is we'll go to a daily time frame, right? And on a daily time frame, we will be focusing on this one here. We will be focusing on this one here. As you can see that this low has been liquidated. It gave us a tap here. Let's see. Okay, no, it hasn't been touched yet. So I'm expecting the market to come a bit below this, and then we'll see that we'll move up or what. But currently, what we're focusing on, it's this playground. Currently, what we're focusing on, it's this playground for the next weekend. Remember what I said. We can simply get something like this. We can simply get something like this, and then the market will come here, give us a dead touch, and move up, and this will be our correction. Or the market can come down to test this low. If it breaks if it breaks below here, we'll be looking for a correction, and then we move down, right? So now what we're doing is we're focusing on this, and as you can see, it gave us a very convincing push. Now we'll be expecting a correction to move down, right? And where am I expecting the correction to go up until? I'm expecting a correction to go up until this area here, you see. So the market is somewhere here. It just liquidated this low, so I'm expecting the market to move up a bit, and then to give us what to give us a correction down. Okay, so now what we're doing is, and as you can see also here, what's happening is that the market has been moving upwards, right? And then after here, the market broke this low, right? The market broke this low to come down. So we just have to see if the market will come and break this low. If it breaks this low, then we know that we're heading for what? We're heading for the next low, which is this one. Okay, because on the other hand, this can just be liquidity, as in like equal lows. You understand? This can be liquidity as in like equal lows. So now what happened now is that the market gave us a push, and then it gave us a bit of a correction. Now it's giving us a push down, right? So what I see is that the market broke below this, so the market moved like this, right? And then now it gave us, it must give us what? It must give us a correction to touch here and go down. And then let's go to here, let's go to 4 hour, and then on in 4 hour we can see that okay, currently I'm expecting the market to come here, but the market can also move a bit down, right? Move a bit down to liquidate this low, and then create liquidity here, and then go up to take all this liquidity and come down. Okay, so it doesn't mean that now I have to wait for the market to go up before I can sell. I can also take sales, as you can see here. From here to here, there's a trend line, liquidity building. Okay, from here to here there's a trend line, liquidity building. So the market from here can simply do what? The market from here can simply move down. The market from here can simply move down, and I'll be looking for it to take this low. If not, it's okay. So since well I'm expecting the market to move down a bit, somewhere here I'll have to have confirmation on 1 hour. I have to see a push down, correction, and then a push down to make sure that I can see that the market will go to my direction. The first thing that I have to do is to see a push, a correction, a push on 1 hour or 15 minutes time frame. But if this trend line will be broken, I know that we will retest here, and then we'll be moving up to here, and then we'll be coming down to break this low. And then on 1 hour, yeah, on 1 hour it's actually looking good. On 1 hour it's actually looking good. Let me see if I put this here, what's happening. Okay, no, let's just leave this here, and then make sure that everything is on the wick. Let's just make sure that we leave this here and see. As you can see, even this is our reversal point, is our reversal point. So what we can do is we can simply enter here when the market open, and then aim for this low, and then aim for this low. This is what I'm planning. And then a failure to do so, if the market will go up and take me out, it will come here, use this as liquidity, and then come down. Okay, it can even come here and then go up, go up and there. But if it comes here, then I'll be able to move to break even. But I assume that the market will go down. And then let's see the next one, which is USD CHF. Alright, so as we can see, we're expecting the market to what? To give us 3 touches, right? We're expecting the market to give us 3 touches, and the market is what? The market is breaking the lows. You see, now it liquidated this. So since it failed to break here, the market might move a bit up, come here, and then go down, but we'll have to see. So what we'll do is we have to mark this high. We have to mark this high as a value area, and obviously mark this low. So our range, it's somewhere here. We're focusing on this going down, right? We don't need to go all the way back. So now what we do is we can see that okay, here's the high and here's the low, and as you can see here, we're waiting for it to what? To make a decision if it's gonna go up or down, right? But also, as you can see, it might be using this as a hook point. It might be using this as a hook point coming for what? Coming for this other block because of this is a break of structure here. You see, this is a break of structure. It might be coming for what? It might be coming for this other block, and then to move down to complete what? To complete this reversal pattern, and then maybe then we can entertain our buys. You see. So let's go on smaller time frame and see what's happening. So yeah, let's just remove this for now. Let's just remove this for now, and then we use this one. So yeah, I'm thinking that this will be just a hook point. This will be liquidity, and currently, as you can see, the market is what? The market is showing bullish momentum, right? So it might give us a touch, go up here, and then come down. As much as I told you here that it might give us a touch and then go down and come up. Even here, I see the same thing. It might go up and then come down to continue going down. So until it breaks this trend line, this let me do this. Until it breaks this trend line, it's currently building liquidity, so it's taking touches and going up. So here, what we can do is we can see that the market is what? The market is currently reacting on this high. You see, it has turned it into what? Into support. So even here, we will on smaller time frame, we can look for a correction to go up. You understand? So I'm expecting the market to move all the way up there until here. If the market leaves you, you just wait for it to break here, and then it will move up here, correction, and then move up. It's simple. It will be breaking this, you see. So it will be a change of character, move up, come test this, and then move up. So we're expecting the market to move up Monday, Tuesday, and then we'll see probably Wednesday or Thursday the market will go down. And then gold, let's see what gold has for us. Okay, so gold on daily, I don't see anything. And then on 4 hour, we can see that the latest low is this, right? Because of what? Because of this was broken, right? But it doesn't mean that the market cannot just come here. The market can just come, or the market can just come here and then move up, giving us an expanding channel like this, you see. But it's not a problem. So let's focus on what? Let's focus on this market and see what's happening here on a smaller time frame. But I can see that this is a high, right? This is a high, and then we go on 1 hour, and as you can see what the market did, the market broke out of this trend line. So now this whole trend line will be used as liquidity. This whole trend line will be used as liquidity. It has to sweep this liquidity. As you can see that it created a pattern like this. As you can see that currently it created a pattern like this. It gave us a push down and then down, and then now this was used as liquidity sweep or hook point. This is a hook point, so this was used as a hook point, and then we're expecting what? We're expecting the market to come all the way down. As you can even see here that the market gave us a shift. You see, it gave us a shift from bullish to bearish. So we're expecting sales until this area on gold. So on gold, what you have to do is push correction and then take your sales up after it broke out of this trend line. Wait for a correction, take your sales, or on smaller time frame you can just take your sales depending on what strategy you use. So yeah man, traders GP in the house. I hope you guys like the video, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you on the next market breakdown. Thank you so much, guys.